Hey and welcome to Outro. In this video I'm going to show you a way you can make money online with zero work. That's the best part, right? So you can see I am not at the normal ChatGPT. I just have a little different URL. This one works without limitations. Basically ChatGPT is using this one for the presentation where you have the normal one, okay? So I have found this one to be better. I'll leave a link below the video if you want to use this part. You log in with the same, you log in with ChatGPT, by the way. So obviously we are going to use ChatGPT for the work we're going to do that I will show you now after. So now let's get right to it. We are going to do paid online writing jobs. How easy is that when you have a robot that can do this for you? So there comes zero work for you. And you can, the best thing, you can write in any language there is. Because even though if you don't understand what it says, you can even check it. Right, for example, can you translate this for English? And you can see basically what everything is about. So to join this, also, before we get to that, if you want to join this, first of all, go down, register for ChatGPT, the robot that can do the writing for you. Then go to this site. You find a link up here right now. For this site, you will also find a link below the video for it. Okay? So, what you need to do is just to write your name, select your country, email, and then of course, you have experience to write professionally. You don't have, but maybe you have, but ChatGPT certainly have. You have the ability to write clearly. Of course you have. ChatGPT write perfectly. Good grammar, everything you can put up here. Then come to school, choose university. ChatGPT have university level. Then hours you can work, just put 24 hours. Of course you can work 24 hours. Here, desire pay, just put $20, just so you can get every job, because if you take 35, you might not get all the works like you do with a $20. So choose $20. And then for here, I would choose number 2 here. I want to transition into remote working full-time. So choose that one. That means that you're open to as much work as possible. Then just push submit and then take every job you can get, because ChatGPT knows everything about everything. So you don't need to think about that. So I hope you like this and I hope you can get started. Write below if you have signed up and how much money you're making with it. So with that, have an amazing day.